of a cast from Cass Freshie!
Hi, I'm Cass. This is so embarrassing. This is a day in the life of a BS Food Science and Technology student from UPLB, and this is my first vlog that I'm posting online because I'm starting an initiative. Wow, initiative for myself, like literally a personal thing. Hashtag stay cringe. No, like embrace the cringe. Yes. Yeah. Oh, I'm cringing. Yes. Let's go to our first class. My first class was MCB 11. Tapos we had a quiz bee. We won first runner-up. Tapos ito yung prize namin. This is me on the way to my next class. Like, it's 10 minutes away and I'm late.
Sabi nga ni Dr. Jose Rizal, to foretell the destiny of the nation, it is necessary to open the book that tells of our past.
Now I'm just going to the basement because my next class is there.
Pakilan na to, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 novel entities. Ito na yung mga plastic, microplastic, and industrial chemical.
Good day, world. Good afternoon, UPLB. Today is Tuesday, May 4, 2026, and here are the top headlines for this period. Just in, the Holocene epoch is coming to its end as per scientists. The future of humankind still unknown.
Kumain muna kami ni Paul ng lunch and I went home because I had 1 hour pa until my next class. I know that the bar closes at 11, but I hope you never finish that day.
Then yung dispersion naman ng refraction, pop, sunset, or sunrise, kulay, red naman. Ano mangyari sa wavelength nyo? With heat, ibig sabihin, mataas ang frequency nyo. So, mas kita na kayo as wave. So, paano makita wave? Property nyo?
I'm waiting for Zana. Is that Zana? It is Zana. Oh, it is Zana. Yeah. Hi guys, we're on the way to study center. Yeah. How to get to the study center? Go to the elevator, tapos mag-reach sa 4, kasi hanggang 4 lang. And then, this way to Italy. Oh! Have you seen this na? What? That. Ini Chloe?
No, half of these people, I'm so sorry.
Julia?
As in,
I saw the end of God. The music so slow. You were standing on my skin. The room is spinning. And then we go up here because this is the way to the 5th floor. Right, Zanas?
yeah.
Then here. Sorry, you should shut up. Kadamo. Okay, stop. Dahil naka-video, maawad ako.
This is my wallet.
Hello! Pag ilang pinat mo na yan. I watched your...
Mag-hi kayo sa vlog.
Sino yan?
Vlog! Mag-vlog ako sabihin niyo. Day in the life of a BSFST freshie.
A day in the life.
Of a BSFST freshie. 3, 2, 1.
Freshie ako.
3, 2, 1, and...
A day in the life of a cast from CAS.
Eunice, what's the time?
It's currently
Yes, and we just finished studying. Nag-study ba talaga? Oo, kumain. Yes, ate, say hi to my vlog. Hi, vlog! I forgot to take other vids to end this vlog, but like, yeah, we're ending this vlog. Bye! Thank you!